Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download Slice It All game. That how you can download Slice It All game on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the BlueStack on your PC, and after installing that, you have to open that. So let's open the BlueStack, and now click on this. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So wait. So what we need to do, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, now we have to click on this, and now we have to write the game name here. For example, as you can see, I have written Slice It All. So now we have to click on this, and here's the game. Now what we need to do, we have to click on this button, install on app player. So we have to click on this, and we have to wait for a few seconds again. So as you can see, it's loading. So finally, as you can see, the game is here. Now what we need to do, we have to click on the button, install button. So as you can see here, you can see the game information here. For example, if you see the rating of the game is 4.5 and the size of the game is 1.44 MB and the rated for 3 plus, and now here the downloads are 10 million plus downloads are. And now we have to click on the install button, and after clicking on the install button, it will take few seconds or few minutes. It's up to your internet speed. And after completion of installation process, you have to click on the play, and the game will be started. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download Slice It All and play it on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.